Also, generally on a DV camcorder, you're going to have different inputs. Channel 1 select is it says interior, input 1, input 2. Channel 2 select is interior or input 2, and input 1 and input 2 out, on or off. So I'm using an interior microphone. This is the interior microphone, the built-in microphone it might say. So I have it selected to be on interior left and interior right. Interior left, interior right. Now if I were to put in a microphone, such as this microphone, this has an XLR input. So I want to plug in this XLR input into my input 2. I want to switch my input 2. It has a line and a mic. This is the mic, so I want to switch it here to mic. And this is on several DV camcorders. You just have to look for it on where it is specifically. Put it into their XLR2, and then I'm going to put my channel 2 to input 2, and now the sound is coming through the microphone and no longer my interior speakers. If you can get a microphone, you won't regret it. It is the best way to go to get good sound. Sometimes you don't have an XLR input, and so now we're going to talk about what to do to adapt your microphone to run into your camcorder to get the best sound you can for your Mini DV camcorder.